Now I am going to explain basic watercolor. Now I am going to explain one example. Boat. See how to draw boat. See, like this, I'll keep it one line. Yeah, I'm standing line. Here also I'll keep it on standing line. Here are some people. Yeah. Yeah. And reverse shadow also. Yeah, now board drawing is finished. Now I am going to explain sky red color like this. This one red color. Red. After I'll keep it orange. Yeah, orange and yellow. Yellow like this. Yeah, here also I'll keep it some yellow. Yellow. Yeah, orange. After a little bit red also. This one crimson like red color. Yeah, this is sunset now. That's why like that. Water also came. You can use little bit dark red. Red plus Persian blue. You can mix it like this. Yeah. Like this. Next I am going to explain remaining detail work. Now I am going to explain detail work and take it orange color. I'll keep it here. This one orange. Yeah, orange. I'll keep wash my brush. I'll spread it lightly like this. Yeah. The same way here I'll take it this one crimson lake. Crimson lake. I'll keep it here. Yeah. Now wash my brush. Just spread it like this. Yeah, like this. And I'll keep it more detail. I'll take it dark. Yeah. Same this side also, red color plus Persian blue. I'll mix it like this, some dark tones. Like this. Yeah. Next I take it black color. I'll keep it downside for boat. This is black color. Yeah, like this. After that I'll take a thin brush, very thin brush for some detail work. I'll take it red color. Like this, some lines. Now I'm going to explain shadow. I'll take it little bit dark color, black plus red, like this. See, and keep it lightly like this. In shadow, no detail. Yeah. Now I using little bit dark tones. Yeah. And I'm using red also. More dark board back and downside. Like this. Next I am using some dark tones like this. Yeah. Blue color plus red color. Yeah. Now basic watercolor painting is finished.